Alright guys, this was the most stubborn transmission I have ever pulled. To be fair, it's the first front wheel drive transmission I ever pulled because semi trucks do not have front wheel drive. So, anyway, there it is. Now we'll get the new one ready and get it moved in. Alright guys, after filling out my COVID form, I'm here at the auction in where I live. Not a whole lot to choose from right now, but I'm glad I'm getting to come check them out and drive them around. So we'll check out some lower price, hopefully, cars that I can afford. And maybe this one, or ooh, that one kind of hitting the back, but I'll look at it, see how bad it is. And Impala looks pretty good, maybe a little Nissan Frontier. There's a couple to check out, so I'll check them out and let you know which ones I'm gonna bid on for tomorrow. All right guys, back at the auction again this morning. They did add a couple of cars. We are gonna bid on some cars. It's a little scarce here today. This is the first time this auction has opened since COVID started. And they got little spaces for you to stand on. And got a lot less cars, and a lot less people. So far there's 3 people registered for being in person, and it looks like about 4 people online. So even though there's not that many cars, maybe I'll get a good deal. I'll let you guys know. Alright guys, well here's my designated spot. I know they have some other ones over here. Boy, look at this car. I know I can't get this one. Alright, got one on an if, which means if they take my offer, the lowest bid there, we'll get it. So we'll go over here and check it out. Well, here it is guys. It's an 08 Yukon Denali. It does have some miles on it. Missing center caps, and it's got a spare on it. Missing a little trim there. It's got a little seat tears here. But it is the 3rd row. Does have leather. It's pretty dirty. Did get it on a green light, which means it does run and drive. And of course the battery's not starting right now. Touch screen, sunroof. Alright guys, we got the Yukon. Got the battery in it because it needed a battery. Went and stopped and got some fuel in it, and now we are driving home. And as you can see, we got a brake light on. That's the parking brake cable, and stability track on. But the stability seems to be doing good, and a cracked windshield. So it may just be something unplugged back there. So we'll check it out. But AC blows cold. Drives pretty good. The tires are pretty junk, but it stays straight. But yeah guys, I think this is gonna be a good buy. We'll get it cleaned up and ready to sell, and we'll do some videos on it. And here we are, another beautiful day at the auction. We did get the Yukon last week. We will have some more content on that one coming up. Just not that much here. That's all cars that are gonna be here later. There's 2019 Cadillac. I know we can't even get close to this thing. We'll keep on rolling. This one was actually here last week. Didn't sell. 2014. It's a 2012 with 35,000 miles. That's no. Not gonna buy that either. And here's the one that I came for. This Ford Fusion. So hopefully this one will be cheap. We'll get it checked out real quick. Here's a Nissan Sentra. I pretty much hate them, but I'll check it out, make sure it's not overheating or anything. There's also a Kia Soul down here. Let's check it out. Well, this looks like a newer one. I don't think I'll be close to this one. It's a 16 model. I'll check it over, but I don't think I'll be there. Let's see what else we got. 2018, not gonna happen. 2015, I'll look at it, probably not gonna happen. There's a 14 Sentra, we could look. Like I said, I don't like them Sentras. They're kind of junky. This thing is too beat up. Still 18, gonna be too expensive, even beat up. 15 model, too expensive. 18 model, okay. Well, so let's check out this 2012 model. Is it gonna start? It did. Gauges look good. All right, I'll go ahead and scan this thing. Let's hit low tire pressure. I'll check that. We'll scan this thing. We'll check all around it and see what we can come up with. All right, guys, I bought this 2019 Cadillac CTS for $2,000 at the auction here. Nothing wrong with it. No, that's not gonna happen. Yeah, no, I didn't get anything today. So that's okay. We got plenty to work with right now. All right, guys, quick update on what's going on. Got this van here we were waiting on the transmission floor for. Can't seem to find one for a reasonable price, and we don't want to, you know, this vehicle has 240 some odd thousand miles. We don't want to, you know, put a bunch of money into it we'll never get back. So I'm going to go ahead and scrap it. I've got the Cadillac converter in the back of the truck there, which we still have to finish up. I've got the transmission out, of course. I'm not going to put it back in. I will put this A-frame back in so we can put the wheels back on, and so we can tow it out of here. I'll go ahead and pull the mirrors. I'll go ahead and pull the AC compressor, the alternator. We're going to pull some things off this that I know that sell. I've already looked it up on eBay, see what sells, what doesn't sell. Like I said, the Cadillac converter is worth more than the actual van is in scrap, which sucks because this engine ran really good. It even drove okay, but it was slipping, and I wouldn't want to purposely sell something to somebody that is no good. Still got the Yukon. We're going to be working on the Denali here. I've got different wheels for it. I've got some other things we're going to have to do to it. Get it ready. We'll do some videos on it. It's pretty much already sold, so we'll get it ready to go, get ready to sell. Got the Impala over at the car lot that after we get this out of here, we're going to move the Impala over here and get started on it. It's going to need a radiator. We got the Mazda that I actually took over to the shop, and they're still have it. I think they just started working on it. So when they get done with the timing set, we'll bring it back over and start cleaning it up, getting it ready to sell. But for now, we'll get this thing put back together and took to the scrap yard. So like I said, we'll pull some parts off that are easy, quick selling things on eBay and get it on out the way. But anyway, guys, sad to see this good running Code AC van, you know, go. But like I said, we can't have more in the van than it's worth because nobody will ever buy it.
All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed, please subscribe, share, like, comment. Appreciate you.